and to the practice of Python series. And I'm going to open the Python. Ideally you can the start browser can type just start icon, can type ideally give open. The previous sessions I told what is Python, why Python is so important, and why Python become number one. And recent last video I told how Python is useful, and what are the types of ideally, why I choose IDE, and why I choose ideally, what are the features of the ideally like 3.8, the latest version like that. So today's session we are going to see the step by step how to use and work with the what is the values we can assign and work, what are the arithmetic operation can perform, some of the arithmetic operations perform step by step, and the introduction to variable, what is variable and how to declare variable and how to use it. If you are beginner, this video is very useful for you. And before that, you have option of here, there will be I told in the features, in the options there will be a configure ideally. This option you can ideally want to change the font size or letter size, anything, just you can click the default. For example, I want to see the letters in some format, just I can select any format, and size I want to make it 22 or 24, just I'm clicking 22, and then I can give apply here. Here there will be apply option, sorry, apply. See, the size was changed here and visibility everyone, correct? So you know values, so just I am giving 5 plus 5, what will happen? So I want to give the value and add two numbers, I can give just 5 plus 5 and check answer. Yes, 5, 10. So like this I can do the arithmetic operations. I want to give 5 minus 2, it will display the 3. So I want to do 7 multiplies 4, it will give the answer of 28. So like this I want to do the now the important thing, division operation. Now for example giving 5 by 2, the answer it is showing 2.5. so this is a I'm giving only one slash, is showing the float number. So we want, for example, I want to see only the integer division, integer number only. What I can do, Python by default supporting the double slash option, double slash, that is called integer division or float division, like that. So if I give 5 double division 2, the answer comes is 2. So it show only the integer part, there is no floating point here. So if you want for convenient you can do anything. So I can maximize the screen like this. Okay, so 5 by 2 like that I can do. Now can you do multiple arithmetic operations single line? Yeah, is it possible and so easy in Python. So I am going to say here, for example I want to add 5 plus 2 minus 1, it will be the answer 6. So like this I can print 5 into 6 plus 1 will give the answer of 31, like that. So moreover like this you can do. Moreover you can apply BODMAS rules, BODMAS, some BODMAS rule. So for example I want to print same 5 into 2, sorry, 5 multiplies 2, okay, plus 1. So if you not give bracket and if you give bracket, what will happen here? So I am giving like this, answer is 11 because 5 multiplies 2, 10 plus 1, 11. So like that Python support all the arithmetic operations. You can do multiple arithmetic operations in the same line, okay, based on that you can give the answer. Now I want to print the power of 5. So what if you want to print the power of any number, we can give 5. I want to 5 power 3, 5 cube, 5 power 3. So I can give like this, there will be option, then give double multiplies here, 5. So 5 by I want 3, 5 power 3. So I can give 5 multiplies must be 3 and check answer is 125. So like this we can work with the values. So like that you can work with values. And come to the thing, what is variable in Python? So simple. A Python variable is a reserved memory location to store values, or you can say a variable in a Python program gives data to the computer for processing. Now you see how to declare and use a variable. So easy. You can see here, for example, I can start x equal to 10. So just give x equal to 10. There is no syntax error here. I want print x value. Just you can press x and see it. The answer is 10. It will come like that. So now I want to do some arithmetic operation. I want to add 5. So I can give x plus 5 and enter. The value will become 15. So like that we can give in the spot, we can assign the variable, create the variable and give some values. Now I can do addition operation. For example, the x value is 10 already is there. Okay, so I am going to give y is equal to 10 and press enter. So now I want to do addition operation. Directly I can do x plus y and check the answer. Answer is 20. So now I am going to give another option. If you want to z is equal to x plus y. So if you want print z, what will happen? Print the value of 20. Or else one more option, can use a print statement, print of z by default. If you give print of z also, it will give the answer of 20. Okay, now is it possible to update the x value? Yeah, you can change the x value by runtime. So for example, the x value I am going to give x equal to 20. Then I am again operating. So x equal to 20. Already y value is 10. I am not going to change. So now I want to print the z value. So I can give z is equal to x plus y. Automatically the Python will update. Now I want to print the z value. The updated value coming now. See, z x value is 20 by y value by default 10. So I can see the answer of updated value of z is equal to x plus y, that is 30. So like that you can do modifications or change the values of value in the runtime. So now you can start like this. You can use the variable here. And what are things you can do? So like this will be there. If you want to go deeply variable, you can go for. Now we can see, is it possible to print a string? Yeah, strings are also one of the important things supported by the Python. So I want, for example, I want print hi. How can I print? I can give hi, single quotation, hi, print of hi. It's possible to give double quotation. Yeah, Python will support double quotation also. So I want to print a hi. So I can give print of hi, it displays hi. So like this you can give print the variables, values or string variables. I'm giving another one. I'm trying print of double quotation. What will happen? I'm giving print of double quotation CSE. So mostly Python, if you do any syntax error, you will get syntax error, traceback error. Yes, supporting. So Python, where Python supports strings, where you can display the we can display the values like single quotation, double quotation, and you think now can you combine like this. So I want to print x plus, so not like that, so like this you can work with the variables, values. Okay, you can do the arithmetic operation. You can print together variable plus value, like that will be some options will be there. Or else I want print host box plus CSE. What I can do, I can type host box plus single quotation CSE and single quotation. Check what will happen here. They are supporting. So if you want print two strings, you can give host box plus C with a single quotation. So display the host box CXE. So today's session we know how to work with values, how to start the value, and how to update or change the value. If you change the value, what will happen in the Python IDLE 3.8, and what is variable, how to declare and use the variable, and you can do number of operations here. For example, if you have doubt, you can do the other option. I want to do z is equal to x multiplies y. Now you can give z and check what will happen. 200. Yeah, because x value is 20, y value is 10, so it's showing the 200 like that. So you can give you can do number of operations here. So like that, if you want to print, there will be two options. Either you can print off z, or you can give z directly. So like that, you can use some method to print the values. Okay, these are the things we have now about the variable, values, and etc. I hope that you enjoy the session. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and wait for updates. Thank you.